want to try?
Guys, I'm going up. You'll see what I'm going to find later.
The tiger leech? Nato, see it's moving. No, see?
It's a leech.
Yes. You try to blow. Okay? No, see? Dia boleh sense the heat. Lepas tu dia akan macam yang, oh, mana tu? Satu garis begitu dan it's brown. Ini kebanyakan dia di ground sajalah. Dia jarang. Iya, tinggal si Flynn lagi yang kecil tuh. Nah.
Berani ya?
Okay.
Tengok sini.
Other than the leeches, there's another activity where we have to find snakes. I found 2 already, and I found another one. I found snakes, so I have to fill this lucky draw ticket. Hi guys, I went to journey with Didi, and then I held a tiger leech. It tickled me. It's only in jungle and they eat blood. Come and visit Journey with Didi at NBRF.